Hello,
Good
everyone. A
afternoon, ma'am.
very warm welcome to another edition of Amity Online Virtual Meetup. Firstly, thank you everyone for joining us today on this beautiful Saturday afternoon. Yes, this is investing in 2026. What are the strategies? What are the opportunities? If someone had told me 5 years ago that a tweet could move the markets or a pandemic can actually drastically change the global supply chains.
Dear students, welcome once again to this engaging and thought-provoking interface on the topic, very interesting topic, investment in 2026, strategies and opportunities. It gives me immense pleasure to see such an enthusiastic participations from the bright and inspiring minds. The first and very important, technology continues to dominate global growth, artificial intelligence.
Very good afternoon. I'm from Hyderabad and I'm 61 year old. Done with my corporate career, but enrolled myself in MBA HR from Amity Online, and I'm done with my second sem. And I wrote exam after 38 years.
Hello, this is Naeem. I am one of your students in your computer BCA. Actually, I want to tell about Afghan girl students who are in your university. But Amity Online University was a very big opportunity for them. Now we have more than 21 Afghan students. They are currently receiving or continuing their education, higher education through your university.
Anna Connect is good actually. You get good network, good exposure.
All right, lovely.
Different industries as well as similar industries. People who are in similar industries.
So if we can also say that in many ways that discipline itself is the first and the most important investment you make, an investment in yourself. So if we look at over the years, I have seen how conversation in finance have evolved.
Sir, over the past few years, we have seen how geopolitical tensions, supply chain disruptions, and shifting interest rates can instantly impact markets. So, from global conflicts to energy price volatility, uncertainty seems to be the new normal.
This is not a new norm. So as I said in my introductory remark, that the uncertainties was always there. It is not like that the 2026 is uncertain. If we go in the past, we can see these are the things very common. But when the market feel uncertain, the biggest mistake the investor do that they are chasing the product, they are chasing the trend, which is not a good idea. The right way to start is to chase your goals.
Wonderful thought, sir. So, moving on to the last question of this segment, sir. As a beginner, for someone who is starting today, the environment can feel overwhelming. The complexities can feel overwhelming. Inflation concerns, interest rate shifting, geopolitical risk, and endless information, which is very confusing sometimes.
So for beginner, the best advice from me is to start with safety, not speed. You no need to go 0 to 100 within 4 seconds and 5 seconds. That's not required. Okay, you have to be very safe, not in speed.
Miss Anusha Jain. With experience as first officer at Indigo, Anusha Jain flies the Airbus A320-321, marking a significant milestone in her aviation journey. She brings a dynamic blend of leadership, community engagement, and commitment to excellence beyond the cockpit. I would like to extend our sincere gratitude to our speaker, Dr. Sachit Paliwal, for sharing such valuable insights and practical guidance with our students and alumni.